What is up, guys? It's your girl Kashia, and I am back with another video. Finally, I know it has been a while and I haven't seen you guys, and I am so sorry about that, but let me tell you, nursing school has been killing me, killing your girl. Okay, so but today is my skills check off, and I wanted to just vlog for you guys. Obviously I can't take my camera and vlog in class. Maybe I'll try to get like some footage, but I don't think I will be able to because my teachers are pretty strict about social media policies and things like that. But anything that I can, I will definitely get. But right now I was actually making good time, but then like my patch on my uniform is coming off, like the little seal that we have to put on, it was coming off, so I had to like sew it down, and then I lost the one on my jacket. So right now I'm all dressed, I got my uniform on. Right now I'm about to go maybe make some coffee or maybe some tea. I don't know what I'm in the mood for yet. And then my clinical is not until 8:30, but like it's about to be 8 o'clock, so I want to just like get on a road like ASAP. Maybe I'll like re-look over my skills check when I'm in the car. I'm pretty nervous about this because we only went on campus one time to practice these things. So now this is the exam, which it's pass or fail, but still like I'm nervous. So I'm just gonna run through my like check to make sure like I kind of have everything. But I just feel like everything is just so rushed. Like, I don't know, but I'm gonna tell y'all about this later. But right now I'm gonna go make my stuff, like try to relax a little bit. My lunch is already made because we're here from 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. So all right guys, I'm excited for this vlog. I have so much to tell you, so much to update you on. I'm sorry if it gets a little lengthy. I'm gonna try to make it short, but I have so much to tell you guys, so I'm just like excited. And this angle is so ugly, but it's cool. How do you feel about that assessment?
So stressful.
No, it was mad stressful. Like,
Yo, stressful times every stress you could ever think of.
exactly. Like, if anybody has to do their health assessment, make sure y'all study the assessment part.
Everything.
The freaking everything.
Watch all the videos on YouTube and
Yes.
then rewatch them. Oh, there's somebody coming in.
I know.
Oh, Jimmy.
Oh, Jimmy. Hey, Jimmy. Say hi to my vlog, Jimmy. How do you feel about the assessment? Huh? Yeah. How you feel about the assessment, Jimmy? I don't know. Yeah, exactly.
Look.
Right? All right, y'all. So I'm sorry for the bad quality, but I'm recording on my phone because I really want to do this vlog. And of course, my camera died when I got to the school. But okay, guys. So let me just break it down for a second. Let me rewind it back. So for clinical, we only go on campus twice the entire semester. I'm not sure if I said this in my last vlog or not, or my last video or not, but we only go on campus twice this entire semester. The first time was to go over everything that we need to know for a skills check, and like all of the systems, health assessment, vital signs, how to draw up medicine, how to hang IVs, how to do piggybacks, how to prime the IV line, things like that. So that was the first time we went. This was the second time we went on campus for clinical. And this time it was to assess, so it was to test if we knew those skills. So basically our skills check. So we have to basically, before we go on campus, fill out this COVID form, like this COVID evaluation form to see, like you have to log your symptoms basically if you have symptoms. And of course, if you have symptoms, you stay home. So we have to fill that out and we have to do it by a certain time. Then when we get to campus, we have to clock in for clinical so they can count our clinical hours. So, and then we clock out when we're done. But so like the day really, like, although clinical was at 8:30 a.m., the day really started like in like around 6:30. My day really started like 6:30. I also want to really like talk about how I feel so far about being in the nursing program, how I feel about doing like online classes, online clinicals. And I also want to talk about like what's going on in my life, my personal life. This is just an update video. Like, I haven't seen y'all in so long. Y'all haven't seen me in so long. So I just want to really update you guys and tell y'all what's going on. Maybe y'all understand why I haven't posted anything in a while, but I will get better. I really, really will get better. Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see in the last clip, I was so exhausted. I fell asleep studying. I had no energy. I couldn't even put my words together, but now it's a new day. So I just want to basically give you guys a quick update because I don't want this video to be super long. So first I want to talk about how I feel being in the nursing program. Like, obviously y'all saw my reaction video, so I was so excited to be accepted in the nursing program, and I still am so excited, and I'm still so grateful that I got accepted into the nursing program. But like, this program with COVID it's really hard. Nursing school period is hard. There's a lot of information you have to know, you have to remember, you have to know a lot for the NCLEX, and you just have to know a lot in general for nursing. Of course, I expected that, but the way things are going with COVID, it's just like everything just feels like all over the place. Everything just feels like kind of unorganized, which they say nursing programs are unorganized, but it's like, dang, I didn't think it was gonna be this unorganized. So really, I just feel like all over the place. I feel like there's assignments being thrown at me left and right. My classmates and I text all the time, and we're just like, wait, is this something due tonight? Like, it's just a lot of confusion. And granted, it's like the program's first time using like online everything as well. So it's just like, you know how all my nursing students or nurses out there, you know how hands-on nursing school is. So it's just like, to learn everything online, it's just very frustrating and confusing. So but other than that, like, I'm just grateful to be in the program. It's a lot. We've already had 3 exams, so our final is coming up next. It's coming down to an end, and I'm actually just sitting here like, wow, I really am almost done my first semester of nursing school. About to go on to my second semester. Like, I have 3 more semesters to go. That just got me so excited and nervous at the same time, because I often catch myself saying like, oh, you're really about to be somebody's nurse. What? But so I'm still excited. I cannot wait to like get that experience in the field. And next semester we're going to be in the hospital. Hopefully COVID be good to us. Hopefully we'll be in the hospital next semester so we can get more experience, because I'm a hands-on learner. Drop below in the comments and let me know what kind of learner are you, because I'm a hands-on learner. Like, I can't just sit here and listen to you talk and like grasp it like that. There's some people that's like that, and more power to you. God bless you. That's excellent. I cannot learn that way. I need to really sit and like practice it, and then I'm like, oh, okay. Like, even when it comes to like exams, if I do practice questions and get a gist of how the questions are asked, I feel like that's better for me. Also, with me and note taking, like, I'm excessive. I'm an excessive note taker. Let me know what kind of note taker you are, because I'm an excessive note taker. I write down everything, but that just like me writing it down, I just remember it that way. Like, I'll remember like, oh yeah, I wrote it down. Also, I color coordinate everything. Like, I highlight everything. I write in different colors, gel pens, like markers, everything. So that's just how I write notes, and maybe I'll do a video on how I write notes for nursing school. Let me know if you guys want to see that video. So that's pretty much my nursing school experience. It's very overwhelming. I can say it's a lot of information to remember. I'll go into more detail maybe in another video, but the 2 times that we did go on campus for clinical, I loved it. Like, I just wish we were in class. I feel like it'll be so much different. Right now it's just a bunch of rushing. I feel rushed, I feel frustrated, and I feel like overwhelmed. That's how I feel right now in the nursing program. Just trying to grasp all the information, and like it just seems everything is going by so quick. But like nursing 1 kicked my behind this semester, let me tell y'all. That's why y'all have not seen me for what, 3 months. I think my last video was uploaded. But like it really kicked my behind, and I'm trying to balance everything, but it's a lot. Speaking of balancing everything, guys, I want to give you an announcement, which I already announced on my Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, which you should follow me on Instagram, you probably already know. But since I have not brought it to YouTube yet, I'm gonna announce it and let you guys know that I started my own planner business. Yay! I started my own planner business. Let me tell you a little backstory. I am obsessed with planners. Like, I will go to Target and like spend whatever on a planner. Like, I just love planners. But like, my only issue with planners was I really feel like I never had enough writing space for planners. So I created my own planner, and my planner has a small, it does have a small monthly layout, but then the weekly layout is a lot of writing space, and then you have extra note pages in the back for more writing space for your to-do list, things like that. So it's a very simple layout because I'm just a very simple person when it comes to things like that. But I'm gonna show you guys my planner. So guys, this is my planner. This is my planner. It's called the Serenity Planner. So as you guys know, my name on social media, on all my social media, is Sweet Serenity, and you know that serenity just means peace. So anything, I feel like planning is just therapeutic for me and a lot of other people. I feel like planning just organizes your schedule, organizes your life, so that brings peace to you. You don't have to worry about things or remembering things, because you can just open your planner and look at it, and you're like, oh, I have that due, or I have that to do today, or you know. So that's why it's called a Serenity Planner. So your peace planner is here. I'm so excited. And I designed the cover myself. I used, what did I use? I used Illustrator to design it, but I'm playing around with a lot of other things. So for my next planners, so far I've already announced it, I've already launched everything. I wanted to, a lot of things are not going how I planned, but it's okay because it's going, so I'm not gonna complain. But I've already launched, so I've already got a lot of sales, and I'm just like so grateful, because not that I didn't think that I would get a lot of support or a lot of sales, but I guess I just didn't think this much. Like the first day I launched, I was like overwhelmed because it was just a lot. Like I had to do a lot. Like I don't know, I guess I didn't expect it. And I also kind of just pushed myself to launch, because I kept, like, I'm a perfectionist, I guess you can say, and I just want everything to be in order, in line, perfect, everything nice. Like I want people to be wild, and I'm just like, you know what, nothing is perfect. I can't make everything perfect, so I'm just gonna do it. And I literally just launched it at midnight on what day did I launch? On the 22nd. See, I love my little boards back there, y'all can see. On the 22nd I launched, so at midnight, and like the next day I woke up to like a lot of orders that I had to fulfill. So, and I'm also gonna do a tutorial on the planner, like just how to really use it to its full advantage. So stay tuned for that, and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know when I post new videos. So the next video I post is probably going to be a tutorial, so, on how to use my planner. But look at this, like I'm just so excited. It feels so good. Yes, so this is like a rose gold. This is like, you know, ombre going on here, but I'm going for like watercolor theme. You see the marble, I can't even talk, and then the binding is rose gold as well. I don't know why he's not coming up. Yeah, so I love this planner. It came out really nice, and of course, like I said, it gets better with time, and I can't wait for many more projects. And I also want to announce something exciting because I'm about to wrap up this video. So to wrap it up, I am going to do a giveaway for the planner. I have 2 planners, one sitting here, 2 planners. Oh, and my logo's on the back. But I have 2 planners, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So make sure you follow me on Instagram so you don't miss that giveaway announcement at Sweet Serenity, and follow my business page at Sweet Serenity and Things. So the giveaway is sponsored by ZQ, and I'm gonna link the Instagram below, and I'm gonna put it somewhere here, so maybe right here, so you guys can go and follow their Instagram and order. They have the best clothing, very comfortable hoodies and sweatshirts, t-shirts, very soft fabric. So make sure you guys check them out, and thank you ZQ for sponsoring this giveaway. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap up this video. Like I said, I did not want it to be long. This is kind of a just like a little short update of what's going on in my life, and I will be posting more videos, especially now because nursing school is about to end. Again, follow my Instagram, stay tuned, follow my business Instagram, and I'm gonna link my website down below so you guys can get your planner. Thank you guys so much for all of your support and love. I'm halfway to 1,000 followers, more than halfway, so make sure you guys subscribe. I love you guys so much. Bye.